Are you an affiliate marketer looking to boost your sales and optimize your business? Look no further than the latest AI technologies and ChatGPT 4. In this video, we'll show you the top AI tools for affiliate marketing that can help you automate tasks, generate high-quality content, and increase lead generation and conversions. First up, we have Phrase, the best overall AI marketing tool. Phrase.io is an AI-powered platform that promises to revolutionize SEO content creation. In minutes, users can generate high-quality copy and access well-researched briefs. Another great AI tool for affiliate marketing is AdsCook. AdsCook is a powerful AI-driven tool that makes it easy to create beautiful ads that convert. With its 24/7 automation rules, real-time dashboard, and ROAS optimization capabilities, you can generate hundreds of ad variations with just the click of a button. But that's not all. There are many other AI tools that can help you automate your affiliate marketing business. For example, Scalio is a cutting-edge solution for affiliate networks, ad agencies, and brands. It combines a modern and lightning-fast interface with a complete set of features you need to run your affiliate business smoothly. With Scalio, you can launch your own affiliate network in minutes and gather all your performance and partnership channels in a unified dashboard. Jasper AI is another great AI tool for affiliate marketing. It helps you automate your content creation by using AI-powered copywriting. WriterZen is also a great AI tool for affiliate marketing. It helps you with proper keyword research, which is critical for your success if your affiliate marketing plan is based on organic SEO traffic. In conclusion, AI tools can help you automate tasks, generate high-quality content, and increase lead generation and conversions. If you're an affiliate marketer, you should definitely consider using AI tools to optimize your business. Visit our website, www.savvyaffiliateshub.com, to learn more about how you can use AI tools to boost your affiliate marketing business. Thanks for watching.